Hey guys, Carl here, and I hope you're all well out there. I've not done a video for a while, so I thought it was time I put some value out there. And I'm going to try and get through this because I've got, as you can probably hear, a bit of a croaky voice today. So I'm hoping my voice will hold out to the end of this. I'm going to try and make it as quick as I can as well, and give you some real good, something good here. So this is more for native ads affiliates, but if you're running pops, this could apply to you as well. Sure, you'll get something from this. And it's really about just paying the right price for the traffic that you're getting. So going back to native ads affiliates, let's say you're running a campaign, you fire it up on Rev Content, you set a bid. Oh my god, what does that even say? I'm trying to write camp here. And you set a bid of, let's say, 30 cents, and you fire off your campaign. The traffic comes back. Some of it is going to be garbage, complete garbage. I'm going to write crap here. This will never convert in a million years because it's just bots or whatever. Some of the traffic is going to be fair, and you see the odd conversion here and there, but not enough to make the campaign profitable. Some of the traffic is going to be good, and this particular set of widgets might see you almost in profit, might see you at break even, and some of the widgets are going to be excellent, and these are going to be highly profitable. Might not be a lot of them, but the traffic you get from it is backing out and it's giving you ROI. Now what a lot of guys do is they'll blacklist the crap, which is what you should do, but then they'll also blacklist the fair stuff because it's not profitable. The campaign, they'll look through their stats and they'll see that they're spending X amount and it's not really giving them anything. They'll cut out the good because that's only break even and it's not really working, and then they're left with the excellent. Now at that point, once you've done all this blacklisting over a few days, the campaign might be profitable, but my guess is if you do it this way, you're not going to be seeing a lot of profit. You might be, you might be seeing 100% ROI, but on like a $50 or $100 ad spend. And I've spoke about this in previous videos. A better way to do it then is eliminate the crap that is going anyway, but bucket B and bucket C. These are other campaigns. These are duplicates of your first campaign, and these have got lower bids. And this campaign, for example, this one's 20 cents, this one's only 10 cents. The idea is to move the stuff that's good and fair, that's kind of, it's converting but it's not making the money, into this bucket here. And the fair stuff that really isn't going to back out for you at this price, move it into this bucket here. And the idea is all traffic, all the different widgets have got some value unless they're bot, unless they're this crap. There's going to be a percentage of traffic that you just need to be paying the right price for, and you will get that campaign into profit overall. So this is the bucket strategy. It's worked for me. I used it in pops, I still use it in native, and it is the smartest way to optimize. So I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe for future videos. I'll try and put a few more videos out there now. And thanks for listening, guys. I'll check you on another video.